everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is New How with Sugu. So guys, I just want to tell you this is going to be my last video of 2020 only. This is going to my last video of 2020 on YouTube. Yes, there will be more videos, amazing content in 2021, and I wish this new year bring happiness to each and everyone's life. And I really don't want to spend 2021 inside my house. I really want to meet my friends, meet my family and explore the places that I want to visit. And I hope सब कुछ बहुत positive हो सबके लिए. So without wasting any time, आज की वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं. So guys, आज की जो वीडियो है वो बहुत ही सिंपल एंड बहुत ही क्विक मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल है न्यू ईयर ईव के लिए. अगर आपने बाहर जाना है, be safe first of all, and this is a very simple, quick and glam look that you can wear on this new year eve. I'm going to do monochrome makeup जिसमें आपको बहुत ही minimum products चाहिए, ज़्यादा तामझाम नहीं चाहिए. Just choose the color or the tone that you want to wear with your dress. Like if you want to go with warm tone or cool tone, it depend upon you. आप उसके according ही अपना color पिक कर लीजिए. एंड बाकी सारे स्टेप जो मैं इस वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगी दैट इज टोटली सेम फॉर द ऑल मोनोक्रोम लुक. तो गाइस जल्दी से वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं. बट वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से व्हाट यू ऑल हैव टू डू, गाइस प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल. सब्सक्राइब बटन वीडियो के बिल्कुल नीचे होगा, रेड कलर का, देखिए. उसके साथ ही एक बेल आइकन होगा जिसको आप क्लिक कर दोगे, आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएगा मैं जब भी न्यू वीडियोस के साथ आऊंगी. एंड ऑल्सो गाइस, do let me know in a comment section what kind of videos you want to watch. I will be considering your request and will be working towards it. So guys, let's get started.
So firstly we are going to prepare our skin. Here I am using Wow Skin Sense Retinol Face Serum. This is perfect if your skin is breaking out or you are having any kind of acne problem. Right now my skin is breaking out, so I am using this. This is really a miracle product, trust me guys, really effective one. And for the primer I have taken here Swiss Beauty 3-in-1 product. This will act as moisturizer, highlighter as well as primer. I have been using it since like 1 month now and I literally like its result. It is very affordable, under 300, and it really does it all three works. So for this look I'm going with monochromatic theme, so I will be keeping my base a quite natural one. So for that I'm using a Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation which will give you a proper natural finish. It will just even out your skin tone and hide all scars or pigmentation problem. And for the brushes I'm using here Gub USA brush kit. The link will be in a description, you can check. Brushes are very affordable. And for the concealer I'm using a Swiss Beauty concealer. Guys, I have been using this from last month and trust me, this is amazing. Like if you want to use any kind of concealer that should last long for 4 to 5 hours, go with this one. This is affordable, 199, perfect one. And even for making such videos, this concealer is perfect.
I have applied concealer on the right side more because my right side is breaking out. I don't know why. I have quite a lot of pigmentation on my right side as comparison to the left side. That's why I have applied concealer in all the areas that I was having pigmentation and all that. So now once my concealer and foundation is done, I'm going to set it with a loose powder. Now you can see my entire face is looking even. So this is the magic of the loose powder. It set your makeup perfectly, and I use this light medium shade. This is perfect for my kind of skin tone because it does not give white canvas kind of a look. I literally love this one. If you really want to invest in a good loose powder, I must say try Fit Me range. It is amazing. And also guys, this brush is from Cub USA brand. I totally love it. The bristles are so soft, you can clearly see. I have also mentioned this in my last video of my Christmas makeup that these brushes are amazing. So guys, if you want to buy these brushes, इनका link description में होगा, आप देख सकते हो. So now once we are done with the base, I'm going to lock my entire base with a setting spray. So what I will do, I will spray it and then I'm going to use a beauty blender and then see the magic. Always shake your setting spray before using it because you want to activate it. Just see it. देखा ना difference? It is very good setting spray. Now I'm taking the damp beauty blender and just tapping it out. This step will perfectly lock your base and your makeup will be flawless. Just see guys. So guys, we are going for the monochrome look. तो इसमें क्या होता है, वी आर गोइंग टू पिक वन कलर दैट विल बी गो ऑन लिप्स, चीक्स एंड आईज. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू माई आउटफिट आई एम गोइंग टू वेयर दिस. इसके ऊपर आई कैन गो विद माई ब्लैक ओवरकोट or whatever. So according to this, I'm going with some kind of nude, pinkish or brown shade. Let me see. I have picked this color scheme. This is a kind of a warm pink family. I totally love it. So guys, these are the K Beauty blushes. I'm going to use these two blushes only to complete my whole look. So yes, I'm going to use the same on my cheeks, on my eyes. If possible, I'm going to use on my lips as well. So let's get started. Here I have picked two shades right now which are almost from the same family. That is the warm pink, this one is soft nude, and this one is dusty rose. So let's begin. So first for the eyes, I'm going to apply the concealer. First I'm taking this dusty rose.
Now with the help of the fluffy eyeshadow brush, I'm applying the blush as a eyeshadow. Make sure you take a very tiny amount because the pigmentation of these blushes are super amazing. So I'm just taking a tiny amount of it and working on it. You just have to blend the blush properly so that you get a very precise and a perfect look. So now to give this look complete warm tone, I'm using here soft nude blush. This will give a brownish pink tone to the outer edge of my eye look. I totally love this look. And for my eyeliner, I'm using here In Nature 100% organic kajal. And with the angular brush, I'm just blending the rough edges. For the lower lash line, I'm using here Dusty Rose blush with the help of a lip brush. It is a very thin brush and perfect for doing the lower lash line. And for mascara, I picked here Wet n India Volumizing Mascara. Now let's start with the eyebrow. First of all, I will be brushing it with a spoolie, and using the eyebrow powder, I will be filling the gaps that are left over. And then again, to give it a natural and a finished look, I will brush off the edges and give it a proper look. For the lips, I have picked Swiss Beauty Coral Pink Shade Lip Liner. It is really amazing, super affordable, 60 rupees ka hai, but it is super buttery and creamy. It glides out perfectly. And for the bullet lipstick, I've picked here NY Bay Argan Oil Base Lipstick in shade Highlight. It is a perfect match for my this look, but to give it a mattifying look and complete monochromatic effect, I'm using here blush to mattify the lipstick, and just see the magic. Now it's done for the blush. Yes, I'm using here my favorite from the entire K Beauty range, that is their Dusty Rose. Just look at the natural and the matte finish these blushes give. I'm going to review these blushes very soon, might be tomorrow. Make sure to smile while applying the blush. This is the perfect way to apply the blush. And now to highlight the inner corner of eyes, I'm using a Swiss Beauty blush and highlighter palette, and I think so I'm picking here Moonlight shade. This is perfect, like to highlight the inner corner. This is amazing. And for highlighting my cheeks, I have picked here My Glam K Play range, and the highlighter I have picked here is Ripe Melon. It gives us such a subtle look to your makeup. I totally love this one. If you're going for a day or a night, this highlighter is really perfect. And to set my entire makeup, I'm using here setting spray. I totally love this look. Just let me know in a comment section how you like it.
So guys, this is my simple but yet classy look for New Year Eve. I totally love it, and I have paired this look with my favorite seashell earring. This I bought from Shein. Unfortunately, we can't shop from there anymore. There are many other Indian stores that offer amazing jewelry like Shein. I will be mentioning 2 or 3 in a description, or you can check my this video. Like, I totally love it, and with few products you can create such an amazing look. Just have a look, guys. I hope you like this video and wish you and your family Happy New Year, and I will be coming up with another video next year. Yes. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press on the bell icon. And also, guys, you can follow me on Instagram. Here is my Instagram ID. You can follow me over there. So I will be coming up with another video very soon. Yes, very soon. That is next week. Maybe tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.